If it wasn't for the...
They won.
This is a bit.
I bet you they don't have any. What I tell you, look at this. Look at this. Oh, they must. I wonder if they took it off the shelves. Look at this. They would have had a sign.
Yeah, well, it was my friend's wedding, and he had a couple friends from California.
Hi.
You want to take the bullets off the
Over
shelf?
here for the wedding.
You
There was actually more than a couple.
Other side of the street at the gun shop. See if there's any bullets. We'll keep you updated. You do your thing.
You gonna do my thing with me?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay.
I got
We
my
just
own
came
stuff.
from academy looking for bullets so we can go practice at the gun range. Oh man, look at this. That's probably why they didn't give us no bullets. That's probably why they didn't give us no. Anyway, we just came from academy trying to get some bullets to go practice. Shoot. No bullets. Nothing. Nothing.
We could check Walmart to see if they have any as well. Most likely not, but
Walmart didn't have no bullets, remember?
I mean, if they have any now.
Newer versions are called the
I
L-Tank.
wish.
They still sell that.
You wish. You know what we're looking for?
No, you said hi, and I said no, I wish.
L-Tank 7 shot.
That's funny.
And that's,
Do you guys have any 9mm ammo?
Yes, ma'am. It's $45 a box for $50.
Ah, I done dropped it.
Got the bullets
$39.99. $39.99.
for 50.
Oh no, I'm sorry. $45. Where the other place is $39.99. How much are these?
$17 for 5 shots.
17 for just to go to the range. Okay? Just to go to the range.
Overpriced. You giving them bullets up front?
Alright, I got 2 targets for you on the extras.
Right? 2 number 9s and 2 number 5s. Yeah, let's see.
I didn't know what to say.
Thank you.
clear, it's all clear to change your targets. Please say your target signal to explode one run at a time with your big bow rifles and please.
I don't remember how much it takes. Depends on the size. It all depends. That's $1. Safety must always be on when you're loading it. Safety have to be on when you're loading it.
Okay.